Did you know that the speed of a sneeze can reach 160 kilometers per hour? When you sneeze, air comes out of your nose and mouth at incredible speeds, which can reach 160 kilometers per hour. This speed is equivalent to a racing car on the road. Sneezing is the body's response to clear the nose of foreign particles such as dust or allergens. The pressure generated when sneezing pushes air, mucus, and particles out very quickly. That's why sneezing can spread germs over quite a distance, up to 2 to 3 meters. So don't forget to cover your nose and mouth when you sneeze.